The BoomiFlow core platform allows everyone to build apps. Our core is a multi-tenant cloud platform with elastic scaling. This core is configured using drag and drop tooling, but can also be configured using metadata APIs. The core supports a number of critical capabilities. Connect allows integration services to connect frameworks and integrate your workflow applications with any third-party platform or application. The image shown here was taken from the BoomiFlow platform to give you an idea of how to install integration services within BoomiFlow and how they appear once installed. Our platform includes user management for flow builders, individuals building the workflow applications, and automatic provisioning for workflow applications that use third-party services for identity. For example, users of your app log into Salesforce, not BoomiFlow, but we ensure that they are correctly provisioned into your app for tracking purposes. Model is fundamental to the BoomiFlow platform and allows for the ability to model your workflow or flows. All of the modeling can be done using our drag and drop tooling, or you can work directly with the BoomiFlow metadata APIs. This image gives you a glimpse of how a sample workflow appears on the BoomiFlow canvas when using the drag and drop tooling of BoomiFlow to model a flow. Everything you build on the BoomiFlow platform has internalization built in. This means you can translate your apps to any language without needing to change the logic. Once you've built your flows and are ready to distribute the resultant app to your eager user base, we provide a snapshot capability to allow you to manage versions and updates with ease. We also keep a history of snapshots of your flows so you can track changes and manage rollbacks as needed. The screenshot captured from the BoomiFlow platform here shows you how versions appear within the flow and create snapshots of the sample flow we looked at earlier. With many enterprise customers, it's unlikely you go straight from your computer to a live production rollout. As a result, we provide packaging and distribution support, allowing you to move your flows between BoomiFlow environments like development, staging, and production, for example. Packaging can also be used to distribute template solutions. Here's an image taken from the BoomiFlow platform to show you how quick and easy importing and exporting a flow within BoomiFlow can be done. Once a flow is converted into an app, it becomes accessible to run. The core BoomiFlow platform is API first, meaning your apps are made accessible through our standard run APIs. These are the APIs that our HTML5 UI framework uses to create the pages and screens your users interact with. This screen capture of an app shows how the modeled sample flow shown earlier from the BoomiFlow canvas is published and then run to render as a responsive app. In addition to the running of your flows as apps, the platform also provides capabilities to allow you to embed those apps in other systems. For example, users might want to access your app directly inside Salesforce, or for example, your app might start when a user uploads a file into a particular folder and box.